Hi guys, good morning. This is Srikanth. Today I will explain about round down DAX function in Power BI desktop. See this here. This is round down DAX function syntax. Okay, round down and numbers comma number of digits. Okay, see this here. I'm already prepared some data. Now I want to show only two digits. It means I want to show only 20.05. So now I am click new column. Okay, type here round down. Okay, once you read this, rounds a number down towards 0. Okay, now I'm press enter number. So now adding particular in this plus table units, number of units comma number, and now I'm adding table, and next I wanted to show only two digits. So see this here, round is a function name. Okay, and next number. So now I am adding numbers place. I am adding my numbers column. See this here, this is all numbers. So now I wanted to show only, okay, I wanted to show only two digits. Okay, two digit values. Okay, let's take this DAX function. See this here, it's automatically, see this here, it's automatically showing two digits only. I wanted to show only three digits. I wanted to show three digits. Just remove this two and add three. See this here, it's automatically showing three digits. Okay, I wanted to show only one digit, just to add one. Okay, see this here, it's automatically showing one digit. Okay, this is round down DAX function in Power BI desktop.